The dollar index fell as U.S. business sentiment weakened. Flash PMI data showed near stagnant February growth, with services declining while manufacturing slightly rebounded. Concerns over aggressive U.S. trade policies eased as Trump's tariffs remained limited, potentially giving the Fed room for rate cuts. However, FOMC minutes signaled caution with economic uncertainty. The euro hovered just below $1.05 prior to Germany's election and weak Eurozone PMI data. Meanwhile, Trump's plan to impose a 25% tariff on imports starting April 2nd raised concerns for European automakers. Gold closed at $2,940 per ounce, near its record high of $2,950, marking its 8th weekly gain on precious metals. This increase was prompted by Trump's announcement of new tariffs on lumber, automobiles, and semiconductors, escalating trade tensions. Geopolitical risks also grew as reports suggested Trump may reduce U.S. support for Ukraine in peace talks with Russia. Swiss gold exports rose, with shipments to the U.S. reaching a 13-year high. Silver also stayed near 4-month highs as trade and geopolitical fears drove demand. Next week will be pivotal for Europe, with key inflation data and German GDP figures shaping rate cut expectations after the election. In the U.S., PCE inflation and growth data will provide clarity after mixed Fed signals, potentially affecting the market's 25 basis points rate cut expectations for 2025. China's production PMI data will also be in focus, with global implications, particularly for industrial metals.